Welcome, here I've got BLACKVIEW A60 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location text at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. By tapping on this button we can open the advanced camera settings. As you can see here we have the location option, so this option allows us to save the location of our photo. And by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need, like that. Also, the important information here is that to make it work correctly, when we really want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device, so remember about these two parameters to make it work. Now let me keep turning it on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture. And now let's go here to the left corner at the bottom. When we tap on this button we get quick access to the gallery, so this is our photo. To check its location we have to just simply slide a little bit down, and as you can see here we have the full location with map, so greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.